The 2025 Defender has been creating quite the buzz, and for good reason. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle stand out and where it might fall short. Starting with the exterior design, the Defender blends rugged off-road charm with modern sophistication. The signature boxy frame is still there, but now features sleeker edges and updated LED lighting, giving it a futuristic vibe while honoring its roots. It's a head-turner, whether you're in the city or deep in the wilderness. Under the hood, the 2025 Defender offers multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a powerful inline-6, and a plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid is especially impressive, delivering both efficiency and power, with a near-seamless transition between electric and gas modes. However, some may feel the base engine lacks the punch needed for such a hefty vehicle. For serious off-roaders, this model continues to shine. With advanced terrain response systems, adjustable air suspension, and impressive weighting depth, the Defender tackles even the toughest trails with ease. It's built to take on mud, rocks, and snow, making it a top choice for adventure enthusiasts. Inside the cabin, luxury meets practicality. Premium materials, intuitive tech, and a minimalist design make it feel upscale without losing its rugged appeal. The PV Pro infotainment system, paired with a large touchscreen, offers easy navigation and smartphone integration. Plus, there's ample storage space and clever compartments to keep things organized. On the downside, the back row and the 3-row configuration can feel cramped for adults, and the price tag may give some buyers pause, especially when adding optional features. Safety features are abundant, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The Defender is also equipped with over-the-air updates, keeping it future-proof. Overall, the 2025 Defender continues its legacy as a versatile and capable SUV, appealing to both off-road enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. While it's not perfect, its blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features makes it a worthy contender in the SUV market.